Now, since we have calculated EMI, I would like to show you that the way you have calculated EMI, you can calculate almost anything in this home loan numbers that we have. So suppose you have EMI already by the bank, but you want to calculate the loan amount. So you can do the reverse calculation using these functions. So before I move forward and calculate every aspect for you, I would like to reiterate few things. So present value, we mentioned that PV means present value. It is equivalent to a loan amount. Rate is your interest rate, and per is a number of period or tenure. Future value, FV is a future value, and PMT is your EMI, or you can say it as regular payments that you have to make to the bank. You have to pay to the bank. So let's try to calculate and check whether we are getting the same numbers. So suppose you have these numbers with you, but you do not have this 60 lakhs and you have to calculate 60 lakhs. So how will you do that? Is equal to, so you need to calculate the loan amount. So for that, you need to use PV function. So I will say PV. Then I will take the rate of interest, which is 0.6, comma, N per is 240 as we did in previous case while calculating EMI. Then PMT we have already calculated in this first case. So I'll select PMT as 48,335, comma, then FV is not in this case. So I'll just skip it. Then 0 as end of period. And you can see that I have got the exact 60 lakhs. So if I do any reverse calculation, I'll be getting the same number. Let's do in case of interest rate monthly. So in case of interest rate, you need to use the formula RATE, bracket open. So again, we'll take N per as 240, PMT as 48,000, present value as 60 lakhs, future value is blank, and type as 0. You can just avoid the last one, which is guess. Just close it and you will get the same as 0.6%. And then next, let's do tenure calculation, N per. So in case of N per, you have to select the first one as rate, which is 0.6, comma PMT. So your PMT is 48,000, comma present value, your present value is 60 lakhs. Then future value can be left blank, and type is 0 in case of home loan. So you got the same number. So what I'm trying to show you is that if you have loan amount, interest, and tenure, you can calculate EMI. But if you have EMI and you want to calculate any other point like loan amount, interest rate, or tenure, you can do that. And we're doing the exact thing here. Now, the last thing is we would like to see whether this monthly, if we convert it to annual, will be getting the same number or not. So I'll just select this into 12. So I will get 7.5 rate of interest. Then this is very simple, divided by 12. This will give me again 20 years. So I'm able to calculate all the variables if I have EMI already in place.